Welcome back, continuing the news. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, we explore how one woman has managed to make her dreams a reality despite being blind.
You raise me up so I can stand on mountains.
Meet Kimiela Candy Isaacs. Just like the song You Raise Me Up, she represents overcoming. She may have been born blind, but her vision has always been clear.
Music was born in me, right? I started singing at 10 months, as I said earlier. And I used to stand before the fan, and trust me, you couldn't tell me that it's not a mic I'm singing into, right? And I used to just sing. I didn't care what anybody wanted to say. You know, I had a voice. I know I had a God-given voice, so it's up to me to use it in the way God wants me to. So singing for me is like my life. My voice overall, both in singing and speaking, my voice is my passion.
And passion quickly turned into action.
I am the first visually impaired person in Jamaica and the Caribbean to graduate from the Edna Manley College with a bachelor's degree in jazz and popular music studies. I am a multi-gold medalist at the JCDC's Festival of Arts competition, and trophy too. I won a lot of trophies. I was female soloist in the years 2000, 2008 and 2002. I came second in the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission Gospel Song Competition in 2009. And I was a finalist in this year's Festival Song Competition.
Come all, join this great celebration of our country standing tall, with our hearts and hands as one.
I am a music director. I was musical director at my alma mater, Woolman's Girls School, for some time. I taught at the George Headley Primary School, Balmagie Primary School, White Marl Primary School, Ligani Prep School, and Smurfs Early Childhood Basic School. And I am also the founder and director of a group called Sweet Sound. And trust me, just as how I used to shell down JCDC, is so that group shell down JCDC.
Diana Morrison is her mother.
When I found out that she was blind, a lot of things was thrown at me. But with God in the vessel, we smiled at the storm. And today, we are on to victory.
Miss Isaac says her disability has never been an impediment and is encouraging others to adopt this mentality.
Never see your disability as a setback, but see it as an opportunity to move forward. Tell yourself, anything your friends can do, you can do even better.
We me love have lion heart, strong and everlasting, only for you.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kalisha Williams.